Jai Hind. Here is set problem. Question is, if S is set which has element 1 to 100, the number of non-empty subset of S is such that the product of elements in A is even. So there is 4 option given. Let us see the solution. In the solution, we see the subset formula is 2 raised power n. Subset formula is 2 raised power n. So there is 100 element. So subset for S, subset of S set is 2 raised power 100. Question is asking non-empty subset. So no empty subset is this is empty subset. So non-empty subset of S is non-empty. It means it will not included in this case because we need non-empty subset. So we subtract this one value from this 2 raised power 100 so that we can get non-empty subset. It means 2 raised power 100 minus 1 are non-empty subsets. Now question is saying the product of element in A. So there is elements inside. So product of element should be even. So odd, product of odd subset when we take 1, 3, 5, 7, dash 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 99. The product of these elements will be odd. If any one number is even among these number, then the product will be even. But 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and dash 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 99. The product of these elements are odd. So how many elements are these odd numbers? 50. There is 50 elements odd. From 1 to 100, 50 elements are 50 numbers are odd number. So subset of odd numbers set, subset of odd numbers, subsets of odd numbers is 2 raised to power 50. But question is asking non-empty subset. So we subtract 1 non-empty subset of odd numbers. Is 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. So total is 2 raised to power 100 and non-empty subsets are 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. So these two values we subtract. So this equation and second equation we subtract. So product of subsets will be even. So our required answer will be, required number will be equation 1 minus equation 2. So 2 raised to power 100 minus 1, then minus 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. So sign will change, 2 raised to power 100 minus 1. It will change the sign, 2 raised to power 50. It become plus 1. So 1 cancel. 2 raised to power 100 minus 2 raised to power 50. Now 2 raised to power 100 is written as 2 raised to power 50 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. Now 2 raised to power 50 plus 50 is written as 2 raised to power 50 into 2 raised to power 50 minus 2 raised to power 50. So 2 raised to power 50 is taken common. Inside we get 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. So this is the answer. It is given in A option, 2 raised to power 50, 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. I hope you have understood. Okay.